So my question is, how do I get to the big money?
It just depends on whether you're focused on the castle or the button. Big money, which means big in the expression big, you mean harder to achieve, or you mean rarer, or you mean more special stuff. Big things are easier to create because you think about them more. There's more attention from non-physical on them. It really is as simple as if your desire or dream, goal, if it pleases you when you think about it, then you're in the right vibrational stance. It is the doing what you want that causes the alignment with the vortex, that takes away the resistance, that then brings the abundance to support whatever you want. The money isn't the means to the happy life. The happy life is the means to the money.